Can you recover deleted ChatGPT chat? Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. We hate to break it, but there is no official way to recover deleted ChatGPT chat directly. OpenAI have not yet introduced a specific recovery feature for individual chat. However, there are some of the workaround that you can try. If you have used your ChatGPT in a browser that is chatgpt.com, you can actually check your browser history. However, this does not totally rely on the fact that you can recover the chat. If you have not cleared your browser, you might find the chat content there, but it is not quite a reliable solution. Even some of the browser does support the ChatGPT extension in which for certain cases it can save some of the chat according to your command. However, the most convenient way would be to contact the OpenAI support, which still does not guarantee for the recovery of the chat, but they might be able to assist you in specific cases. So we hope that you found this informative to you and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.